Hello, everybody. It's me again, Beeve200, with another lockpicking video, and I'm actually going to gut this one. This is a mag something, R something or other. It's been custom pinned. I pinned it myself. I tried to get the little slider thing off of there, and it just ended horribly. It won't come off now. But I can still get the little C-clip off, and I can gut it that way. So, here we are. Oh, I do have a key for it. I keyed it myself. This is just a key I had lying around that fit it. So, that's what the bitting is like. And let us get this party started. Now, I'm using my twist handle and my little gem wannabe all the way to the back. There's one. Just find the next one. Oh, there we go. A little bit of counter rotation. That was a little violent. Sure. Oh. And one of these is not completely set yet. Which one are you? Was it you? I think it's this one. Oh, shit. Nope, that one just made it overset. Okay. Light tension. Oh, there we go. That was a spool. Where are the other ones? Shit. Oh, got my false set back. Where are you? It's always the last one that you gotta find. I think it's number 2. What? Let's reset that then. I'm gonna get this. I just got it before I turned the camera on, so that's why it's not gonna be working for me. I got your number, Mag. Which one are you? Oh. Nope, too far at the... Oh, there we go. And it is unlocked. Now, since I have a key, knock that back up again. Now to do the gutting. Yeah, I'm gonna gut you like a good little Lakipu. If I could find my damn pliers, this would be so much easier. Problem with these little C-clips is that they do not like to work for me. Okay, that is off now. Okay, now I don't have a follower, so you're gonna have to bear with me here on this one. Okay, there are the pins. Okay. Where are you? There we are. Okay. We had one spool, focus, one long pin for the gatekeeper, but it's a standard. Keep dropping my pins. They're in short supply. A couple of springs, blah, blah. Nothing special about the springs. I had a T-pin, another spool, and another spool. So grand total, I had one gatekeeper, 3 spools, and a T-pin. So if there's anybody out there questioning whether or not I can pick a security lock, yes, I can. So, on that note, I'm going to try to put this back together because I really like to pick this one. Oh, and all the pins that are in there are all standard. I don't want to take them all out because it's a bitch to rekey this thing and get them all in the right spot. But that's it. Voila. Have a good one, guys. Oh, and by the way, don't use this type of information in order to, do illegal stuff. Not a fan. So please don't do that. Don't be stupid. Really, don't be stupid.